Easihold here at Beverly HQ, where the magic really is happening. Here we are. Here is the Intel packaging machine. Let me just tell you how amazing, how much of a game changer this bad boy is. We used to do 160 bottles an hour. We're now doing 700 bottles an hour, which means you can order more from us and we can meet all your demands worldwide. So with this machine, as you can see, it takes one operative at one end. He'll be putting the bottles on. The bottles will then come through the long pipes. They'll insert the Easihold in. Again, takes about 20 seconds. So as you can see, it will put the lid on here. It will then spin it on this bit here. It will then come down and just double check to make sure it is tight and you're not getting any leakages whatsoever. We'll put a sticker on and then we will triple check that it is tight enough but not too tight where you won't be able to open it. No one wants them troubles. And then as you come down, as you can see, so this is our labeling machine. On the labeling machine, it puts them one at the front and one at the back. And the precision of that is absolute next level. It is absolutely perfect. If you watch how that goes on, we'll have a look. Of course, we'll have a look. And then again, like I said, no one here will lose any jobs because the machine will utilize the people in other areas to make sure that we can get all the demands out. And what you got to remember right now, the demands for Easihold is absolutely sensational. We knew it was going to be big, but this is bigger than big. So now we've had to invest in these machines. We've had to invest in the people. We've had to invest in this whole warehouse, because if we don't, we will not be able to keep up the demands. And we are number one for a reason. There is no product out there where the staff are so happy, where the customers are so happy, and the product works. We don't even have to try and sell it. We don't need a marketing team because the product sells itself. How easy is that? So then we come through here, we now put a label inside and we bag it. This one is for Amazon. So with the Amazon ones, we put it in a bag just in case anything leaks, which we guarantee it won't, but just in case. And then we put a bag in there as well. We're currently doing 30 pallets of these a day, which is unbelievable numbers, but we don't let the customers down and we don't get late on deliveries. Beautiful. We'll then put a box over it and then we'll label it up. Right guys, as much as I have loved showing you around and showing you our absolute incredible new machine that's getting your products out quicker, it's time for us to get back to work. It's time for you to go. Lads, let's get him out of here. Let's go. Get out of here. Get out, get out, get out, get out.